Very good morning, all of you. Last period, we have discussed what is strategic management process, what are the steps involved in strategic management process, and also we have discussed what is strategic intent and what are the components of strategic intents. Before going to proceed towards new topic, I want to recap once again what actually last session we have discussed. Strategic management process involves series of steps like the first step of strategic management is to define the business, and second step is prepare the corporate mission or determine the objectives of organization for different activity purposes, and third one is business environment analysis with the help of SWOT analysis. This is exactly helping the organization to know the plus point of the organization, weakness of the organization. What are the strength of internal condition and what are the opportunities of organization as far as external business environment as far as particular business are the concern. On the basis of this information, the organization is revising the directions. The whatever the uh, things found by the organization with the help of what? With the help of environment analysis and environment analysis. On the basis of that, organization should changes the direction. And after this, next step is what to find out the strategic alternatives. Uh, and after find out the strategic alternative, next step is to select best uh, one among alternatives. Next is implementation of strategy. And last step of strategic management is strategic evaluation and the control. These are the some important things we have discussed as per as strategic management process are the concern. Next, we have discussed what is strategic intent and what are the components of strategic intent. Strategic intent plays a significant role in any business organization, since strategic intent deals with uh, vision of the organization, objectives of the organization, and strategies of the organization. Therefore, every organization needed appropriate strategic intent through which the organization is able to utilize the opportunity and tackle the threats. Uh, these are the things last period we have discussed. Today, I want to discuss with you level of strategies. Generally, the level of strategies can be divided on the basis of size of business. In case of small business, there are two level of strategies, and in case of big business, there are three level of strategies. In case of small business, there are two level of strategies, namely corporate level of strategies and functional level of strategies. But in case of big business like joint stock company or the multinational organization, you may find one more type of strategies, that is strategic business unit strategies, along with corporate level of strategies and functional level of strategies. Now I want to discuss detail about corporate level of strategies. The corporate level of strategies generally the formulated by the top management like board of directors and managing directors, chief executive officers, and other the dignitaries of the top level management. Top level management prepare the strategies like preparations of corporate mission and implementation of corporate the mission. The first job of the corporate level strategy is to prepare the corporate mission and implement the same. I think all of you might be aware the corporate mission is one of the most important powerful strategy in the hand of the big organization. Since corporate mission reveals exactly about organization, what type of organization it is, and what are the areas actually the organization required to cover, and who are the stakeholders, and what are the expectations of the stakeholder as far as organization are concerned, and what are the expectations of the organization. Uh, this is the first job of corporate level of strategies. Prepare the corporate mission and implement the corporate mission properly and effectively. Because corporate mission guiding exactly uh, guiding organization exactly the what should be the good for organization, what is not good for organization, and what should be organization required to do as far as uh, to meet the requirement of all stakeholders of the organization are the concern. So this is the first job of corporate level strategy. And the internal activities of corporate level strategies are effective control and guiding divisions. Effective control and guiding the divisions. So this is very, very important. Whatever the organization you take, especially big organization, have different divisions. Even small and medium organization also have sometimes divisions. But the corporate level strategies aim is what? Effective control and guiding to divisions. Effective control and guiding to divisions. Because the performance of the organization, the purely based on the each divisions. I mean, whenever the divisions are performing well, whenever divisions are working according to expectations of the organization, definitely that may be helping the organization to achieve the predetermined objectives, that is profit maximization objectives. So internal activities of corporate level strategies are effective control and guiding the divisions. Control is very essential because whatever activity to be undertaken by the organization should control properly all activities. For this, organization is needed appropriate the plan of actions. Generally, the top level management preparing the plan of action to control the different activities of the organization and monitor the divisions or guiding the divisions. Already I said uh, the way the profitability of the organization purely based on the way in which divisions are working, the way in which divisions are performing their activities are. And external activities of corporate level strategies are monitor general and specific environment. So this is another important job required to do by the top level management. I mean, in order to monitor general and specific business environment, the organization is require appropriate the plan of actions. Whatever business you take, every business required to work under different the conditions, maybe internal condition and external condition. In fact, internal condition is a controllable condition, but external condition is a not controllable condition. Whatever the condition actually the organization have, sometimes that is opportunity, sometimes that is threat. Therefore, the organization is needed to monitor properly general and specific environment. Once organization have appropriate the plan of action, from this organization is able to monitor general and specific environment. Outcomes are tackle the threats, outcomes are utilize the opportunity, outcomes are make the profit by organization according to expectations of the organization. This leads to remain by organization for a long time in a particular line of business. And generally, corporate level strategies nature is long-term in nature. I mean, whatever strategy to be formulated by the top level management, generally that strategies are deals with long term. I mean, any strategies to be formulated, definitely that may be uh, for organization for long time. Maybe that strategies hold good for 5 year, 10 year, 15 year, or maybe 20 year, or sometime forever. Okay, like that. These are the nature. I mean, this is the nature of corporate level strategies. Corporate level strategies also plays a very dominant and important and strategic role in any business organization, since corporate level strategies are the base for the function level strategies, or corporate level strategies are the base for the overall activities of the organization. And strategic business unit level strategies are strategic business unit level strategy you may find in case of both organization, small organization and the big. Strategic business unit strategy you may find only in case of big organization, not in case of small organization, because strategic business unit strategy arise whenever the organization open the strategic business units in different places, especially small business. You should not find this type of strategy, since small business the functions are limited, small business activities are limited, even scope of the small business also very limited, and even the whatever investment to be made by the small business, that is not a big investment, therefore that is not big investment, therefore that is not possible to expand their business vertically or horizontally, or that organization is not able to open their branches in different places. Therefore, the strategic business strategy not arise in case of small business, but it is only arise in case of big business. For example, the headquarter of the XYZ organization in Belgaum, and its branches maybe in Bijapur or Dharwad or Raichur or maybe Bangalore, like that. In order to monitor these things, no, the organization is needed to formulate the strategic business unit level strategies. It means generally the organization may be expanding business in a different area, maybe other than sometime the what actually the organization is carrying in headquarter, the different activities the organization is required to undertake. For that, specialized things are required. For that, specialized strategies are required. Therefore, strategic business unit strategies arise in case of whenever the organization is opening the strategic business unit. However, strategic business strategies generally formulated by the business organization to attain organizational objectives are. So generally, no, the organization objective is to make the profit. To make profit or concern, the organization is expanding their business uh, at different places. In order to perform that activities properly, no, the business organization to prepare themselves. I mean, prepare strategic business unit strategies. Uh, whatever the strategies to be formulated by the organization at strategic unit level should prepare on the basis of nature of the activities and what actually the organization is required to do as per as a stakeholder are concerned or product are concerned or even the society are concerned or other stakeholders are concerned. By keeping this in mind, suppose the organization prepare the strategic business unit level of strategies that is helping the organization to utilize the opportunity properly. And therefore, the basic objectives of strategic business level strategies to attain the organizational objectives are. In order to attain the organizational objective, the organization should produce more product. Organization should and marketing their product according to expectation, and even organization should do take care about customer, to take care about society, to take care about other stakeholders of the organization. And internal activities of business unit strategies are coordinate with other units. Internal activities of strategic business unit strategy is to coordinate with other units. As you know very well, the coordination of different activities of the organization is very essential. Whenever organization having proper coordination among different activities, that may be facilitate synergy. Suppose the organization not having coordination among different unit, different strategic unit, is it helping the organization to make the profit? Is it helping the organization to utilize the opportunity? Is it helping the organization to uh, earn more profit? So that is not possible now. So whenever organization having coordination among different divisions or different units, that may be helping the organization to realize the what objective actually the organization required to attain. Therefore, in order to do this, no, the organization is required to formulate appropriate the strategies. That strategies should help the organization to coordinate among different divisions, coordinate among different positions, coordinate among different activities of the organization now. And that other important aspects of strategic unit strategies are to take decision about product mix and to take decision about marketing mix and to ensure the appropriate plan of actions as per as different the units are the concern now. And external activities of strategic business unit strategies are focus on industry, focus on product, and market development. I mean, the strategic business unit strategy should ensure appropriate the platform to develop the industry. I think all of you might be aware the industry development based on what based on the way in which the functional activities are working, the way in which functions of organization is performed, the way in which the organization undertaking different the activities as far as different uh, the way in which organization undertaking different activities as far as the organization are concerned. So focus external activities are to focus to develop the industry. To develop the industry, what are the things actually required? Many things are required. Maybe latest technology is required, proper adequate and appropriate raw material is required, power is required, skilled manpower is required, and the monitoring also proper monitoring. These things also required. So the organization, the strategic business unit level strategy should think the properly and to should ensure the what are the things actually required to develop the industry, develop the product, and develop the market. Okay, these are the some important external activities of strategic business unit strategy. And generally, strategic business unit strategy is more flexible, but corporate level strategy is not flexible. Strategic business unit strategies are more flexible because strategic business unit strategies needed for to perform the strategic business unit functions. So many changes are taking place every day as far as business environment are concerned. Maybe people's expectations also changing, and political environment also may be always changing, and even many competitive environment also changing, and financial environment also changing, and legal environment sometimes changing. So in order to cope up with these environment, the business organization should needed the flexible the strategies are. I mean, any changes to be taken place as far as particular business activities are concerned. But in case of strategic business and strategy, the organization should reformulate and re-adopt the what actually the organization is required to carry out particular the functions are. And next important strategy is functional level strategies are. Functional level strategies is one of the most important the business strategy. I mean, corporate levels. It is also one of the most important strategy. This strategy may be you may find in case of small business as well as big business. But the functional level strategy to be formulated by the organization based on functions of the organization. Whatever organization you take, every organization have own activities, own functions. Maybe trading organization have own activities and own functions, and non-trading organization have own activities and own purposes. In case of non-trading organization, no, have different activities because of what? Because of what the nature of production is different, nature of activities are different. Whatever it is, but the functional strategy talking about the what are the strategies actually the organization is needed as far as to carry out the functions like production function, marketing function, human resources management function, finance function, and R&D the functions. Generally, these are the some important functions needed to big organization. Even a small organization also needed, but not exactly the what the functions required to perform by a big organization. A big organization, the size is big, and even the investment also big, and the structure of big organization is entirely different. But R&D is not required in case of small business because small business scope is very small. As far as investment are concerned, manpower are concerned, technology are concerned, machine are concerned. So R&D is not required in case of small business, whatever it is. But the whatever strategy to be formulated by the organization to perform the functions of organization should understand exactly about functions, on the basis of that organization should formulate the strategy. Generally, the functional level strategies are formulating by the functional heads because the functional heads like chief production manager or sometime manager also you may find in case of production department or deputy manager like that. Similarly, in case of marketing department, chief marketing manager and marketing manager for different divisions, and even deputy marketing manager for different divisions. Similarly, in case of other functions also, you may find these are the positions are. So whatever strategy to be designed and formulated by business organization to perform functional level strategies, the strategies generally prepared by the functional heads along with maybe their staff, and important important strategies. Generally, the functional heads required to formulate the strategies relating to uh, production department. I think all of you might be aware the production department required to perform production function. The production department should produce uh, product according to expectations of the organization or according to predetermined objectives of organization. In order to perform the production function or to attain predetermined objectives of production department, the organization is needed many things. In order to ensure different things relating to production department, the functional heads required to formulate the appropriate the plan of action as far as to produce the quality product and to produce product according to predetermined objectives of particular division or particular the organization, and also should take care about other things which are more relevant as far as to produce the better quality product to minimize the cost of production department, and to take proper the care towards employees of the production department. So in addition to this, no, some other strategies also the organization, the functional heads are required to prepare. From this, they are able to run the production function properly. Similarly, marketing related strategies, as you know very well, after production, next important job of a business organization is marketing of their goods and services. In order to marketing of goods and services, no, they needed appropriate the platform. The marketing department heads required to formulate appropriate the strategies relating to sales, relating to advertising, relating to mode of distribution, and relating to pricing strategy, relating to packing strategy, and even relating to market segmentation. They should understand exactly about customer or even market or competitors. For this, they needed appropriate marketing research strategies. So these are the strategies generally ensures by uh, the functional level heads. Especially the marketing department heads. These strategies are helping the organization to marketing their goods and services without fail or properly. And similarly, human resource management function you may find in case of big organization. Without human resources, there is no there is no chance to utilize the men. Even men, machine, material, and other resources. Human resources are very important resources that is helping the organization to achieve what objective actually required to achieve by the organization. So, in order to utilize manpower properly, the organization needed appropriate the plan of action as far as management of manpower is concerned. Uh, Management of machine is not a difficult task. Management of manpower is very difficult task because each the individual have different ability. Each individual have different experience. Each individual have different attitude towards work, towards different activities. So, in order to uh, manage and monitor the all manpower, the organization is needed the appropriate plan of actions. Therefore, uh, the production, the human resource management department heads are preparing plan of action relating to utilizations of manpower, relating to training and development, relating to measure the performance of manpower, and relating to improve the happiness of manpower and provide a good working condition. Like that, many expectation. Actually, the human beings are, manpower is required. According to that, the organization should ensure uh, proper strategies or proper plan of actions. And next is finance related strategy. Finance related strategies are essential in case of any organization, since the finance is the source that may be helping the organization to tap untapped resources or to perform functions like production, marketing, HR, and other the functions. So for this appropriate, the strategies are required. Raising of finance are concerned, and utilizations of finance are concerned, and investment of finance are concerned, and minimizes of cost of finance are concerned, and even as far as expansion of activities are concerned, the finance heads should prepare the plan and prepare the budget, and according to that should ensure to act by the organization. That is really helping the organization to run the enterprise on the profitable basis. These are the some important the strategies required to perform by. Uh, I mean, uh, these are the important strategies required to formulate by the organization. Before going to the conclude, I want to recap once again what actually I have discussed so far as uh, we have studied so far as level up strategies. Level up strategy may be divided on the basis of size of business. In case of small business, there are two level up strategies like corporate level up strategies, functional level up strategies. And in case of big business, there are three level up strategies. One is corporate level up strategies, functional level up strategies. Another one is strategic business unit level up strategies. Strategic business unit level up strategies, important strategy. This strategy arise whenever the organization expand their expand their business activities in different areas because according to that activities, the organization is needed strategies at specific strategic unit level because the whatever strategic unit you take, every unit have own functions, own activities, or own the scope, or own the purpose. In order to meet that, the organization is needed strategic business strategies. These are the level of strategies. Every organization should rationalize their level of strategies through which they are able to uh, tap the uh, organizational resources maybe properly. Whatever uh, man organization having, machine organization having, material organization having, and other resource organization having, through proper level of strategies, the organization is able to utilize that, and the same time organization is able to do their job according to expectations of the stakeholder as well as organization. I hope all of you clear what I have discussed so far as. Thank you.